welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So in this video today, I have a haul for you. So let's get started. It is from the Dollar Tree. See, it's from the Dollar Tree. And I thought well, this is a nice size bag, and I still have some more stuff in there, but I figured we'd go ahead and do a video on this bag here because Dollar Tree really is carrying some nice stuff. So how are you guys doing? I hope everybody's doing well. And yep, let's get started, guys. I hope you got all of your Thanksgiving stuff ready and prepared, and your family and everybody together. I'm going to be my son and I are going to be going out with the global team, and we'll be having dinner, the whole global team together. So that sounds pretty amazing, and I'm really excited about it. I don't think I've done that in any other year. Well, especially here in Colorado, because most of my years at Karis, I've done hybrid from home. So it was very nice that the team decided to get together to have Thanksgiving dinner. So I'm supposed to be making the cake, so I will be recording that for quick and easy meals. So let's get started, guys. Now, I don't think I ever noticed this before at the Dollar Tree, okay? These tags. So I'm always in there filming, and I've never seen these before, unless it's $1.25. And if I would have gotten this at Dollar General by mistake, it would have been $1. So this is an awesome buy. I'm going to be using this for crafting, even though they're ornaments, guys. Here's the string. So they are ornaments, so I got one of these. If I don't use them as ornaments, I'm going to use them to craft. So I got that. And I did use one of these tags here with the bell, one of these tags, because I was doing a DIY and I needed to open the package. But these are really nice as well, okay? Each of them, like this one says peace, this one says Mary. I believe this one says, no, peace and Mary is what it says. And then it has a little opening, a little circle, and a bell. And I love the buffalo check and the red bows. So I grabbed one of these to do, I know what it was, the gift wrapping collaboration. I did the best that I could in one of those, two of those came out really nice. And I wanted to slide one of these in one of the openings, so that's what I did with that. Now, I think in one of the hauls, I showed something. You know what? Let me just take it out. So, I have a video that's going to be coming out. The Dollar Tree's carrying these pillowcases, and you don't want to miss them. They're good quality. They have burlap. This one has the buffalo check in red and black on the bottom, but the other one that I'm going to be showing in that video, which is really a DIY that I'm doing, has the white and black buffalo check on the bottom. That one was the trees. I love the trees. And this one is the gingerbread. And you know what? Let me open it up and show you, because everybody's going gingerbread crazy now, and including myself. So these are absolutely awesome. So I have some polyfill. I have to go back and get some more at Walmart. Look at these pillows, these pillow covers, and the bottom is zipper. So this is pretty neat, guys. Look at this. So I can either stuff a pillow in here, all right, or I can go ahead and put polyfill. I think in that video, well, you'll see the videos coming out this week. But look at this, the gingerbread guy. I am loving this. So I couldn't find two, so I had to grab this, the last one that they had there. I'm hoping they bring them back one more time, because you know how fast they don't bring stuff back. All right, so this was something I never seen before. This is wall art. I don't know if you guys have seen this before, but this is all the gingerbread. So this one here is all gingerbread, guys. The Christmas tree, the coffee, the snowman, but it does have a lot of gingerbread items. Like this is the gingerbread house right here. I had never seen it, and I always found Dollar Tree. So correct me if I'm wrong, maybe I never noticed it. But I grabbed one of these because you can DIY so many things with all these stickers. And this one has, it's not really telling you how many they have. It says 1 sheet of graphics. So I don't know. When I open this up, I'm gonna let you know the next time I come on to do a haul. So here's the snowballs. Now the snowball decor do come in sizes. This one here is the medium one. They have the bigger ones and then they have the smaller ones, and of course that depends on how many you get in the bag. These are pretty neat, especially for tier trays. Or vignettes, I guess. And now I had this in another bag, and I put it in this one here because I just keep tossing stuff around, guys. I don't know why I keep doing that. It's because I have so many bags in there. I don't know what bag I'm grabbing, and I just want to do one bag at a time so that I don't stay here for an hour showing you the stuff that I got. So these are absolutely adorable. I'm definitely going to be using these. I don't know if I'm going to use them as ornaments or a DIY, but these are beautiful. And if I'm not mistaken, I don't know, it doesn't say back here, hold on a second. No, it doesn't say back here. These stickers don't say where it's from. It is shatterproof. I'm gonna venture to say it's Walmart. So it's I think it's Walmart. All right, so Dollar Tree, here we go. The pink trees, and the bottoms are peppermints, guys. So these are pretty, these are absolutely beautiful. I love the gingerbread in the pink. When they do the pastels in the pink, with the pinks and the pastels, when they're doing the gingerbread stuff. I think it's absolutely gorgeous, and especially the pink nutcrackers or the houses or anything. It's just beautiful. Anyway, I grabbed these for a tier tray or just decorating over there in my cozy corner. So, and I got those purposely in pink. Now, the dowels. All right, so these dowels, I use them for crafting. So you get 2 of the size dowels, and pretty nice size dowels, and pretty thick too. I don't know if you could see that. For $1.25, I don't know if that's good or bad, but I think it's good. So I grabbed 2 of these. I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to use them for. These are not always there at the Dollar Tree where I'm at, and when I'm crafting, I don't want to have to get up and go buy something right when I need it and then not find it. So I grabbed 2 for my wood stash. So now I have a wood stash, guys, because I love crafting with wood and I love crafting with glass, especially thrifted glass. And so I really enjoy that. So I went back and I got another one of these. So the Dollar Tree is carrying the fairy. And the fairy gardens, is it fairy garden or the it's all like ice cream and desserts. I love these. I think they're so cute. I mean, there's nothing stopping you from DIYing this, but I like it just like that. And these would be great for the springtime when I do, again, my tier tray. And these guys are my favorite. I absolutely love these ornaments. I just love them. They're so beautiful. I may go back, if I find these, I may go back and grab a bunch, because wouldn't these be beautiful to decorate a mini Christmas tree? Or even one of those skinny Christmas trees that everybody has. I gotta get myself one. I just been so busy, guys, so I've been I'm just floating above water, guys. But you know what? I'm doing really well. I'm doing great in school. I am so happy, just by God's grace and favor. And so I had a proposal that I put up, and I spoke in front of the class. I think I posted that picture. And there was so many of us that submitted proposals for things that we want to do. I'll give more of the details on what I want to do later on. But my proposal was chosen, so I won. So yay! I'm like so excited. Out of all of the people, my classroom is at least 100 people. Out of everybody who submitted for a proposal, pitch or proposal bid or whatever you want to call it, the director chose the top 10 and I was chosen. So everybody was like, congratulations, congratulations. I was so happy. My son was so happy. And nothing beats the smile of having your son, family member, have that smile on their face, like, wow, that is amazing. So yes, mine got chosen and I'm so excited about that. We'll be celebrating, but I have a huge job ahead of me with presentation on top of a panel. So I'm not afraid of that. I know God's grace is upon me and His favor is upon me, and I know I'm going to do great. Then I have an internship year that's coming up. So I'm like really excited. This is really a good time, you know, for me. So you're gonna have people that are for you, and then you're gonna have the ones that aren't. So for the ones that with me, thank you. You know, and I'm just really happy where I'm at right now as far as my journey, and nobody's gonna dull my sparkle, guys, nobody. So I thank the Lord for where I am today and where He's taken me, because I feel so blessed right now. Let's go back to the haul. So here we have the felt ornament kit. And this ornament kit is really nice. And actually, you don't have to keep it as a garland. You can go ahead and take it apart. It depends on how much crafting you like to do, because these pieces can get very small and hard to work with. So I got one of those, and I think I got that for crafting. Not so much, you know, the garland. So guess what I grabbed? Look at these. Every time I go to the store and I see these, so I grab the acrylic deer. Let me see how many I got in this bag. So here we have, they cost so much more money if you get them elsewhere. Okay, they do have them wrapped in plastic. Some of them, these came out of the plastic. So I grabbed 4. You can see them right here. They are so beautiful. So these acrylic deer, I know would cost a lot more money than $1.25 elsewhere. Some people will spray paint them, whatever color they want. I like them exactly like this. I think they're so, if you keep them like this and you have a glam, elegant decor style, they look amazing. And they're a nice size. So I grabbed 4 this trip, and I know I grabbed 4. I have them scattered around the house. So that's what I got for here. Let's see what else I got. Oh look, I did get, wait a minute, I did get, all right, so we got 6 of these. So I got 6 of these decor balls. I think 6 is pretty good for a mini tree. Aren't they absolutely gorgeous? I think they're so so glam. I don't know. I just like that. So I did get 3, which is 6 of those. Okay, so the Dollar Tree also had these. So this is the galvanized metal, and you'll see the gingerbread characters on there. And then you also have like Peace, Noel, Joy. Peace, Noel, Joy. And then you have the gingerbread guy dressed up as Santa Claus, Mrs. Santa Claus. It's just so adorable. I don't remember these before, so this is pretty. This is a great buy for Dollar Tree. And again, those are ornaments, but I don't think I'm going to be using them as ornaments. I'm going to be using them for crafting. Now, I did tell you that I like to use the wood. Like, you can easily make a gingerbread house with these wood cutouts. And if you wanted to, since the back is flat back, I grabbed 2 so that you can have a front and back. It just depends really on what you want to do with it, but this is a great buy. This is definitely a great buy. That's what it reminds me of, a gingerbread house. Doesn't have to necessarily be that, and you can just go ahead and paint these any way that you would like. I like crafting with wood, the wood cutouts, so whenever I see something I haven't crafted with for a while, I'll grab it, but I have a whole stack over there. So guess what else I get? And yes, you have Miss Nala walking around. She always follows me. I don't know where she's at right now, but she walks around and watches every move I make. All right, and the other little one is over there. I think she's either napping or I don't know where she's at, Nina. So we have this gingerbread guy, and look at the size. This is a very nice size. Great for decorating, and this year I've been into the nutcrackers, so I'm like really excited over that. All right, so I also wanted to tell you guys, make sure you go on over to the community tab. There's just so many things that are coming up, and I'm trying to do basically all of December into January, the collaborations. And so I'm like really excited. We have, let's see, so there's a collaboration with a buffet / console table, Christmas Decorate With Me. We have that. Please let me know if you want to join in any of these collaborations, whether there's people on the thumbnails or not. The people on the thumbnails are just the people that said yes, and those are confirmed. But we still have plenty of time to add people to the thumbnails. So go over to the community tab and look at the recent flyers that I've been posting, because those are not for this month, they are for December. And then I'm probably going to be pouring into January, and I'm really excited about January. I'm actually excited about next month. We also have the home tour, so we really want to enjoy the home tour. I don't have my stuff in front of me, so those are the two I'm remembering right now. So don't forget to do that, guys, okay? So here, like I said, look at the size of these nutcrackers. I think they're for $1.25, and if you go to the plus section, you'll get the nutcrackers bigger than this for $3, I believe, not $5. I think they're $3, and they're taller than these. Then you have this guy here. Okay, so you have this guy here. Isn't he handsome? I love these things. So I'm into the nutcrackers now. I think they're so, I just love them. Especially the pink one. There's a pink one I saw at Home Goods when I went to film, and I just wanted to take him home with me. So it's just, I like that pink theme that's out now with the gingerbread and even with the nutcrackers. So this is the other one. Now every time I go, I have a couple all around the house. Every time I go to Dollar Tree and I see these nutcrackers, I pick up either 3 or 4 of them. So this was my haul, guys, and I think I did really well. So especially with this stuff here, this bling stuff, the nutcrackers, these reindeer. I'm not going to bring it all over here, but I think that these are definitely worth it. If you see them, guys, just grab them, because they are gorgeous. These are gorgeous pieces for $1.25. And like I said, I'm not going to use these as ornaments. I'm going to craft with them. But if I see another one of these pillow covers, the gingerbread ones, before the home tour, I'm going to buy this. This is absolutely gorgeous. The one that I did the DIY with, I did a video that's pending. It was it was with the trees. So those are gonna look amazing also, because I absolutely love those trees. And so yeah, so this is my haul, and it was nice coming on camera and catching up with you guys. I hope you guys have an awesome, happy Thanksgiving. I hope your day is blessed, and I just wish you guys the best. Enjoy your day, guys. All right, so if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you. Amen. Amen.